Hey guys, Portia here. Today I want to share with you my top 3 favorite places to get sublimation blanks. Now I have gotten this question several times over the years, and it really was dependent upon where I was in the learning process, because sublimation, I would say, is a learning process. You learn new things all the time, and learn new ways to do things. But as I have journeyed through this process, I have discovered that there are some go-to places that I absolutely love. All right, let's get my notebook to help me stay on track. The first place that I want to talk about, and this list isn't in any particular order, is going to be Johnson Plastic Plus. Now, I love them because of their variety. Like, you go to their website, you type in sublimation, or either go to their sublimation tab, you are going to find so many items. And not only is it a variety, there are some truly unique items there. So no matter what season it is, no matter what it is you're trying to gift or sell, there's going to be a little bit of everything in there for everyone. So for that very reason, I love Johnson Plastic Plus. Also, I subscribe to their Sublimation trend box, and in that box each month I get various substrates. I love the Sublimation trend box because they give me ideas that I was never really thinking about. So I have had so many different things that I have gifted to people, went back and brought more of, and all that other stuff. And then they kind of like get my mind to percolate, like, oh yeah, that will be pretty dope. So that's why I like Johnson Plastic Plus. The next place I want to mention is Innosub. So with Innosub, one of the first things I ever sublimated from them was my cell phone case. And I've had this particular case on my phone for a little bit over a year. So for me, that represents quality. And I have since used several more of their products, and I really appreciate the quality. I have bought substrates that when you sublimate on them, they have a rough texture. So I'm like, that shouldn't be. But every time I sublimate on Innosub's products, they come out perfect. Well, once I learned what I was doing. But yeah, they came out perfect. And then the other thing that I like about Innosub is they have downloadable templates. So with every single substrate you get from them, there's going to be a template. And guys, sometimes that could be a problem depending upon what you are sublimating. You need the exact measurements, the right size, and all that good stuff. And I love that they have a tab that you can go to on the website, and it'll show you what you need. Now, last but not least, Amazon, y'all. I have to talk about Amazon. And I'm gonna be honest, there is only one reason why I go to Amazon for substrates, and it is out of convenience. There are some times where I'm just sitting somewhere and I get a bright idea and I gotta do it now. Well, if I go to Amazon, I find the substrate that I'm looking for and I can have it the next day. Now, as far as quantity and, well, I don't want to say quantity, variety and quality is going to be hit or miss. But I will share with you another video of different places I've discovered on Amazon that I actually like their substrates. So for the most part, when I get that bright idea, I try to go to the vendors that I trust first, but if not, I take that risk. But yeah, guys, this is all I have for you today. I just wanted to share with you my top 3 favorite places to get sublimation blanks. If you got any questions, concerns, emotional outbursts, let me know. If you found this video helpful or just plain old entertaining, could you go ahead and give it a thumbs up? But guys, as always, until next time, peace.